That's the girl you asked for the phone number?
No, it's not that one. She's not here. I think she works in the morning.
Are you drinking anything?
I don't drink coffee at night, but I need to buy a donut that my mom asked for. Do you need anything?
I'm good, thanks.
I'll just get this donut for her then.
Olivia Smith. Put your hands up, right now.
Who are you people?
We're from the FBI. Don't talk to us.
How did you get into my house?
I told you not to talk to us. This is your arrest warrant. You're under arrest for the attempted murder of Kelly Garcia.
I didn't do anything. That girl is stupid.
I told you not to talk to us. Now, turn around and place your hands behind your back. I'm going to handcuff you. If you try anything, my partner will shoot you.
I want to talk to my lawyer. I have a party to go and I'm late. Is this a joke? This is unbelievable.
How many times do I have to tell you not to talk to us? Olivia, it's time for you to pay for your crimes.
I didn't commit any crime. You're lying. Look at this toilet bowl. It's so dirty.
You're here because you're a bad person. You have to learn from your mistakes. Enjoy your stay. You will be here for a very long time. This police department is under investigation. Olivia tried to kill Kelly. She should be in jail already. You didn't arrest her. You don't know how to do your job.
Nancy, I'm Jessica. I'm the housekeeping manager. I will be your manager and supervisor. This is one of the rooms you will have to clean. Every room needs to be cleaned like this one. Do you have any questions?
How many rooms do I have?
You have 12 rooms in total.
Now, enough talking and let's get to work.
Malibu is a great place to be, isn't it?
I agree. My father sold his house here because of the divorce.
Oh, that's so sad. I'm lucky. My house is just 5 minutes driving from here.
Who is texting you?
It's Brandon. He's asking if we can have lunch with him and a girl he met at the coffee shop.
A double date with Brandon?
That's right.
That sounds boring.
I know, but I told him I'd help him out.
If you said that we have to go now. Who is this girl? Is she from the gym?
I don't know. He said that she's a barista at the coffee shop.
A barista? She must be poor.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing. I'm just saying. Let's go now because I have an appointment at Thai Spa.
Look where you ended up, Olivia. You're behind bars.
I'm innocent and I shouldn't be here.
If you stay in jail, I will sell your house.
You cannot sell my house. That house is mine. My powerful friends will get me out of jail.
Good luck. You will end up alone, Olivia.
How is your first day at work? It is busy, but good. I'm glad I have a job.
How do you like your supervisor?
She is tough but nice. I like her.
Nancy, it is really important that nobody discovers that you work here. Try not to bring the attention to yourself.
I understand.
All right, you can get back to work now.
Thank you. I'm really grateful for this opportunity.